the difference between two numbers is 26. There are two numbers and the difference between them. What do we mean by difference, children? Which operator will be there for difference?
Minus.
So there are two numbers and the difference between them is 26. And one number is 3 times the other. And दोनों में से जो एक नंबर है बेटा वो दूसरे नंबर का 3 times है. Triple of that number. Find them. For word problems, children, I will be giving you one hint. Even if you do not understand the question, just look at the last statement. What is to be found? And assign variables to that. Them here stands for numbers. Numbers. So that means we have to find numbers. So your initial statement should be, let the numbers be this and this. Let the numbers be, here in the case, we can say, let the numbers be X and Y.
X
So
minus
first
26.
step, any word problem, look at the last statement. Whatever is unknown, just assign variable. Let the numbers be X and Y such that whenever we are talking of difference of numbers, that means one number is going to be greater than the other. One number has to be greater than the other. That is how we are finding the difference. So whenever we are talking of difference of numbers, just define which number you are taking greater. Suppose I am taking X to be greater than Y. So do define this, that we are taking X to be greater than Y. Okay. So this is the first step to start with the word problems. Whatever is unknown, whatever is to be found, assign variables. After that, you will write then according to question. According to question, what we are given, we will state that. Children, there are two unknowns and thus we need two equations. And what are the equations? Condition 1 is that the difference between them is 26. What does it mean, children? Can you tell me the first equation?
X minus Y equal to 26.
Y is equal to 26.
Y is equal to 26.
Yes. X minus Y is equal to 26. Because we have chosen X to be greater than Y and the difference between them is 26. So this minus sign is because of the difference which is mentioned over there. So this is going to be my equation number 1. And what is the second condition according to question?
X is equal to 3.
X is equal to 3y.
X is equal to 3 times the other.
So the greater number definitely will be, is will be replaced by equal to. One number, let that one number be X, is equal 3 times the other. So what is the equation?
X is equal to 3y.
X equals to 3y.
Right? Now clearly we can put X equal to 3y in equation 1 and get the value of X and Y.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
put X equal 3y in equation 1, we get, what do we get? 3y minus y is equal to 26. This is in place of X. Equation was X minus Y. So in the place of X, I put 3y. Now 3y minus y is
2y equal to 26.
2y.
and this gives me y is equal to
13.
26.
13.
13. So we have got the value of y as 13. Now next X will be
39.
39.
yeah. From 2, X is equal to 3y is equal to 3 into 13 equal 39. So what are the two numbers, children? What are the two numbers, beta?
X equal to 39. X is equal to 39 and y is equal to 13.
X equal 13 and 39. X equal 13 and 39. But we are not going to leave our answers like this. Please understand. There was nothing like X and Y in the question given. We assumed X and Y for our convenience. We took X and Y for our convenience. So if you're going to leave your answer like this, as per CBSE rule, suppose the question is for 3 marks, you will be given 2.5. So the half mark stands for the final statement. Okay? So you have to put the final statement. Thus, the numbers are 13 and 39. You can cross check. 13 into 3 is 39. And also 39 minus 13 is 26. Okay, beta? The larger of two supplementary angles. Now, children, first of all, what do we mean by supplementary angles?
The angles
One
which
of
are
the angles which has
90
some
degree
is
and smaller
180
is
degree.
Yes. Two angles having some 180 degree. Two angles having some 180 degree. Right? Are called supplementary angles. The larger of two exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Now, children, here, find them stands for what? Them stands for what?
The two angles.
The two angles.
So I will reread the question again, but after assigning the variables. Step 1, let us assign the variables. So just write down, let the two angles be X and Y. And children, again, we are talking of smaller and bigger, larger and smaller. So we need to define which one we are going to be taking, breaker. So be X and Y such that X is greater than Y. Okay. Now the next would be step 2. Then, according to question. Let us see what we get according to question. Children, please pay attention. The first condition is that the angles are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means their sum is going to be
180 degree.
180. So what should be first equation?
X plus Y equal to
X
180
equal to
180
degree.
Yes. X plus Y is equal 180 degree. Okay. And the second equation, the larger exceeds. Exceeds means, what is the meaning of exceeds?
Plus
तो जो छोटा नंबर है exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. जो बड़ा angle है that is more than the smaller angle by how many degrees?
18.
18
If I say I have 18 rupees more than you. Suppose you and I are having some money and I am saying I am having 18 more than you. That means what is the difference in our money?
18
rupees.
18 rupees.
18.
This is the second equation. If from the
X.
measure of cost, we
X
subtract
minus
equal
Y
minus
equals
Y
is
equal to
equal to
18.
18.
Are you clear with second equation, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Because the bigger one is exceeding the smaller by 18. That means if you are subtracting smaller from the bigger, you should get 18. So these are the two equations to be solved. Anything? Easily we can solve them out. Tell me.
And Y. We can.
Elimination.
Okay, add them. Let us simply add these equations. So plus Y and minus Y will be cancelled. X plus X.
2x.
2x.
198.
198.
So what is X?
99.
99.
19.
Now put the value of x either in 1 or 2 to get the value of y. From 1, y is 180 degree minus x. 180 degree minus 99. What is that? Eighty-one degree. So what are the two angles?
99 degree and
99 and
81.
Is equal to 99 and y is equal to 80.
Yes. So thus, the two angles are 81 degree and 99 degree. Please put the degree sign. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys. She means that the coach of cricket team is a lady over here. She buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat. Each bat, 1 bat. Each means 1. And each ball. In combination, when she bought 7 bats and 6 balls, she paid 3,800. And when she bought together 3 bats and 5 balls, she had to pay 1,750. So they are expecting us to find what is the cost of 1 unit of ball and 1 unit of bat. Children, as suggested earlier, first of all, let us define the variables to be unknown. What do we have to find? Cost of each bat and cost of each ball. So we will assign variables. Let cost of each bat be rupees X and of each ball be rupees Y. That is the first step we have done. We have assigned the variables to the unknown. Second step, then, according to question, जी बेटा, आप मुझे ये बताइए, if the cost of 1 bat is rupees X, what would be the cost of 7 bats?
7x.
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 Bats, the cost would be 7x. If the cost of 1 ball is rupees Y, what will be the cost of 6 balls?
6y.
Y.
6y.
6y.
Right. And what is the total cost of these two?
7x plus 6y equals 300.
3,800.
Total cost of these two is 3,800. Are you with me, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the total cost will be 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. And what will be the equation 2?
3x plus
Ma'am,
5y
3x
equal to
plus 5y equal to 750.
1,750.
Yes. Now we need to solve these two equations for x and y. Okay. You may eliminate x or you may eliminate y. Which one you want to go for?
Y.
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 So if you are eliminating y, children, if you want to eliminate y, first equation should be multiplied by
5.
5.
5.
5.
5.
that 6 into 5 gives you 30.
30.
And second equation,
Into 6.
Ma'am, 6.
so that 5 into 6 also gives you 30. Okay. So let us see what we get. 7 into 5
35.
35x.
35.
plus 30 by 38 into 5. 190.
195.
Okay. 3 into 6.
18x.
80.
1750 into 6.
31.
Okay. Add or subtract.
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 They are of same sign, so we shall subtract. Subtract means there will be a change in sign. So when there is going to be a change in sign, this will cancel. And 35 minus 18 gives you. This will be. So x is 8500. What is that, beta? 17.
500.
So after calculating the value of x, we now need to calculate the value of
Y.
y. So you can put it in 1 or 2, anywhere you feel like.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
So from 2, 5y is equal to 1750 minus 3x. So 1750 minus 3 into 500. Now 3 into 500 is 1500. So this gives me 5y
Y equal to 50.
250. So y is equal to 50. Now we need to put the final statement. Thus, cost of each bat is rupees 500 and of each ball is rupees 50.